It's always been a really good experience. We've always been upgrading booths almost every year, every couple of years, so we keep getting closer to the center and bigger booths, so they're always accommodating, so it works out well. We started out with just a couple of models of mowers, and now we've got about 8 models, so we needed more room, and we wanted to be more in the center of the actions.
We love talking to our customers, and it's all about relationships. So it's a really good experience for the tour coming to be here.
It's probably one of our best shows that we attend, primarily because we get a lot of end user feedback. When you get the guys on the front line that are talking about the issues or the good stuff and what we can do to improve the product, you can't beat that. So this show is phenomenal for us.
It's pretty unique. We get to meet a lot of new and interesting people, a lot of potential customers, so this is a very good place to come and meet new people.
It's always fun to come. It's a lot of work, but we do meet a lot of people. We keep coming back because of that.